Alright, we're going to take a look at some physical changes that may take place. For this experiment, you're going to need a graduated cylinder, 10 milliliters of water, 20 cubic centimeters of cornstarch, and that is your everyday ordinary cornstarch. And you're simply going to mix them together and notice or record the observations that you may make during this particular experiment. Alright, when I mix the water in, I'm going to zip the bag shut and simply start mixing the substance up. If you use cold water, you'll notice that the substance is already starting to become almost a hard, gooey type substance. Alright, a hard, gooey substance. And the cooler the water is, the gooier it appears to be. But as I move it around with my hands and apply some heat to it, it becomes a little bit more liquefied. Alright? Now, this is a physical change. And what does a physical change actually mean? It means that I didn't actually change the molecular structure. The molecules here are still the same. There are cornstarch molecules, and they are simply mixed in together with water molecules. Could I separate this apart? Maybe. It would be very difficult. But if we take a look at this model I have over here, you will notice that there are some water molecules. 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen, H2O. Alright, when I add the cornstarch molecules into this substance, I will just make them black. You'll see that they're just mixing in together with the water. The water molecules are still 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen, and the cornstarch molecules are still cornstarch molecules. There were no molecular changes whatsoever, even though some of the properties changed. Before, I had 1 solid material and 1 liquid material, and now I kind of have a liquidy material, and as it cools down on the table, it becomes almost a gooey type substance. So, I hope this helped you out with understanding physical changes. See ya!